Welcome to this 2-bedroom plus 10 condo in Seychelles. This condo is absolutely impeccable and shows like a model home. This Windemere model has been beautifully decorated and features high quality finishings including quartz counters, upgraded stainless steel appliances, upgraded flooring, hurricane impact windows, plantation shutters, and so much more. The floor plan is very open and efficient, and the bedrooms have large closets. The den is huge and could easily be used as a bedroom if needed. You'll enjoy the peaceful view from the large screen lanai. Seychelles is located just minutes to downtown Naples and Naples' award-winning white sand beaches, and just blocks to shopping, banking, and restaurants. Seychelles residents enjoy a community pool, fitness center, fire pit, and club room. This home is better than brand new as lighting and fans have already been installed and it's ready to move into. Contact me for more information today.